Glenn. So this is your Facebook page. Looks like you got quite a few people that follow and like you. I'm guessing that's where you get your clients from, as well as word of mouth. I don't see a website. So I just Googled Flooring Trail, British Columbia. And it looks like this guy's probably your only competitor. Trail looks like it's a pretty small town. And it didn't look like there was any big town going around there. So anyways, I came in here, checked out his website. He doesn't have much for content. He only has 808 words. I guess it's a little bit, but if you make a website, I would definitely, have 1,000, 1,500, and fill it with keywords. Or don't overfill it, but have about one keyword every 100 words. Let's see what this guy's images are saved as. You'd want this to be saved as an image. You won't want, a keyword. You won't want it saved like this. You'd want, hardwood floor, trail, or trail British Columbia, or whatever keywords you're trying to rank for. A cool tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Shows backlinks and referring domains and the DR and UR score. This guy's DR score isn't all that much. He doesn't have much for backlinks. But you can come in here and grab the ones that he does have that are good, the high quality ones. You'd want ones that are relevant to your industry. So you'd want remodeling or floor remodeling or bathroom kitchen remodeling or something that has to do with home improvement or construction because it's relevant to your industry. You'd also want to make sure you get backlinks that have high DR and UR score. I mean, come check them out, make sure we like them, and then see how to get them. You can get some with guest posts, some with blogs, some with blog comments, some with sponsors or news stations. Different ways you can get them. Sometimes you have to end up spending money to get them as well. I can see what keywords he's ranked for. Unfortunately, with Trail being so small and there not being a high population city nearby, I haven't really been able to find any keywords to rank for that are searched all that much over there. I've checked this guy out. I don't really see any that are ranking that are good, would be good for your area. I don't really see anything. There might be something here, it'd take, I could spend some time trying to find something. I'd have to check, start using the Keyword Explorer and start Googling around trying to find something. But anyways, you'd want to find ones that are located, and all these are, located. So I'm sure anything over there would be located. And you'd also want to find something with higher volume. You just want, and if you can't find anything, you just put keywords that you think people would search for in your area when they're trying to find people to install their flooring or what you want to rank for. Otherwise, there's this GMB. It's free to set up. It's you just go to Google My Business and they'll send you a postcard for the code. You can verify it, and then you want to make sure you fully set it up. And then for content-wise, it's photos, so get as many photos as you can. Then citations, which is just directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages. Facebook is even a citation. You just want to make sure the name, as well as the phone number and the area, all match up, and Google will give you a citation for that. And then reviews also do help as well. Sorry, it wasn't all that helpful. I was hoping it would be more helpful, but unfortunately, living in a small area, small population area, small town, there's just not a lot of volume with people searching on Google for flooring contractors. But hopefully something was able to help you. Sorry I couldn't have been I wasn't able to provide as much information as I would like to. I just, living in a small town, it's more difficult trying to find that volume there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video anyways, and something helped. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you want, we can talk more. We can do a video call or Facebook call or whatever you'd like. Anyways, hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks.